Hello friends, welcome back to the part 5 or you can say the last part of our typing game. So if you don't watch our earlier part then you can check my description. I added the part video link along with them code. So now in this part 5 we are adding a difficulty like this easy, medium and hard and also this toggle functionality inside our this game. So let's start. Now let's add an functionality first like this that will go upside whenever I click on this button, and you can see here for this button I use this ID settings button and we rechange with this JavaScript element settings button. So let's use that. Settings button dot add event listener because we want to add an event listener that is click. So if we click on that button, after that it will go inside this function. Here we have to write this settings dot class list dot toggle because we want to use that toggle functionality and we want to hide that class. So now save this, open our game, and you can see here whenever I click on this button our this class is hide. Yes, now the time is come to apply the difficulty like this easy, medium and hard. So by default we assign difficulty that is medium. So let difficulty that is by default medium. Here we have to apply another event listener like this change functionality so we can change our difficulty. So for that we use this settings form element because the difficulty is inside our form. So let's use here settings form dot add event listener, and here we have to add event listener that is change. After that we have to pass our event and first let's assign our difficulty with this event dot target dot value. So according to our user. After that we have to pass this by default local storage functionality because all difficulty will be working on our own storage. So easy have another storage, medium has another storage and hard has another. So we use this by default local storage method that JavaScript provide us. Inside that we pass this set item. Here we have to pass our difficulty like this. Then instead of this difficulty is equal to medium we have to assign our local storage here. So if our local storage dot get item, by here we have to write set item because we have to set the local storage, and here we have to get our local storage, or you can say the each difficulty storage, and we have to assign that. So if local storage dot get item difficulty, so by default the difficulty is null. So at the starting the user is not select the difficulty, then it will be null. So if it is null then it will go inside this local storage dot get item difficulty, and if it is false then we assign here medium. So here we have to assign our local storage according to that difficulty, and if it is not selected then by default it is medium. After that we have to set that difficulty select value. So this is for this by default part medium, and the second one will actually take the value that is easy, medium or hard. So difficulty select dot value, inside that we have to pass our local storage dot get item difficulty is equal to name, sorry null, some like above. Let's copy this stuff because it is same. This is for assigning and this is for our actual value. So now you can see here whenever I start the game, by default difficulty is medium. Now the time is come to decrease this time according to their difficulty. If it is easy difficulty then the time is counting down slowly, hard difficulty then the time is counting down fastly. So let's assign that first. Go inside our this part and here we have to apply an if functionality. So if difficulty is equal to hard then the time is increase only 2 seconds, else if difficulty is equal to medium then the time is increased by 3, and else the difficulty is easy, the time is increased by 5 seconds. So now save this. Also remove this by default time. And here a typo, we have to write settings form. So now save this. You can see here by default there is an difficulty is equal to medium. Let's switch is to easy, and here whenever I write this word you can see the time is add plus 5 seconds because that is an easy mode. Yes, let's change to hard mode. You can see here time is also increased at only 2 seconds. So this is very hard and my game is over now. You can see here your final score is 11. So that is our project that we made using vanilla JavaScript from scratch. So if you got any confusion in part 5 or you can get any error while programming, then you can check my description. I added the part 5 GitHub code link. So let's copy that and paste inside your machine, and I hope you can run this project very nicely. So if you like our project and video, then you can give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to get our video notification instantly whenever we upload our next video. So thank you and bye bye guys, stay tuned.